What's up, fam? Welcome to today's video, and today we are What's up, fam? So we are on our way to buy a little motor mount for the go-kart. I'm not really going to be working on the Miata today. It's actually running pretty fine. I'm waiting for the gasket to come. I finally ordered it. I still have that little small exhaust leak, so I'm waiting on that. So right now what we're doing is we're going to go buy some stuff for the go-kart. I think this guy has a lot of stuff, so we're going to find out. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright, fam, so I went and picked up this motor mount that I need for the go-kart. It is fucking hot as shit over here because I have no AC, so now it's time to head back home, so let's go. Alright, so we're back home. We got the plate. Y'all saw that little footage of an FRS or something like that. Looked like an FRS, couldn't really tell. But either it was FRS or BRZ, same fucking car, same concept. If you don't believe in that, it's on you. That's what I believe. Same shit. Alright, so we gotta clean up all this fucking mess, and we're gonna be working on the go-kart, getting that out the way because we need to fix this whack-ass motor mount that I have. So let's get to it. Alright, fam, so what we're gonna do right now is we gotta go ahead and fix this damn motor mount that I freaking made. That sucks because when you accelerate it flexes, so we're gonna change it to this one. Alright, so we already took out the motor from the little engine mount that I made. It's kind of jacked up. It's all greasy too. Yeah, I'm gonna cut myself. So I'm gonna technically take all that shit off. Add this new plate. You know, that's way better. You know, I'm gonna have it sit original spot where it was at. So it's gonna give me a lot more play with the actual go-kart itself. So let's get to it. I ended up working on the go-kart earlier, and I know I needed to finish some stuff on it, but we ended up mounting that motor mount. Hopefully everything goes good, and we're about to check this out. It's been a cool minute since I've actually drove the go-kart. Damn, let me get away from the fan though, it's pretty loud. I just gotta check up, make sure all the bolts are tight, but that's pretty much it. fucking crashed and got stuck. Alright, we're good. So yep, looks like the go-kart's running pretty good. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all I got for today. I'll be uploading something in the middle of the week. So like I said, stay up, stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And if you guys like the race with the FRS, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. If you guys like the go-kart content, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up as well. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and have a blessed one. Peace. Alright fam, so I had a little tire explode on me. You guys can see the difference. Alright fam, so I have some bad news. When I said bye earlier, I went for like a spin down the street, and then I got busted by the cops. And they dead ass told me if they catch me on the street one more time, they're gonna impound my shit. But oh well, I'm still gonna use it. Where else am I gonna use it? It's my street. So, but luckily I wasn't on my street. I was like I want to say like 4 or 5 blocks down. So I think I'll be safe, because this is more like a community where I'm at, but not gated. So I'll be fine. Man, I'm tripping. I mean, actually they tripping. All right, little explanation on the next little clip you guys are about to see. I didn't light a whole firework. It's just a fuse. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys.
Yeah, but they don't got this torch, they got the other torch. I'm trying to make it wall again. Oh, that's true.
Imagine my beard caught on fire.
Oh, you're crazy.
Oh, you should saw earlier.
Oh wait, it's just a fuse. Oh, I was like, wait, he's that savage? I'm like, no,
I was like, what the fuck?